Today we're removing the front door panel and speaker from a Chevrolet Colorado. We're going to start with our Phillips screwdriver and move to the handhold on the door panel. Remove 2 screws from the bottom of this cavity. This will allow you to take your pry bar and pry the back edge of the control panel up, releasing clips. These clips release with pry pressure. Pry the front edge of the control panel up, releasing the front clips. This will allow you to pull the entire control panel up out of the door armrest. There are several connectors here at the back of this control panel. They have triggers towards the center of them that you squeeze down into the connector to release. Driver's door has more connectors than the passenger door, but these connectors are all keyed so they fit back to one specific spot on the control panel. There's no need to label them. See our website for aftermarket installation, stereos, removals, and amplifier removal as well. With this panel freed up, we can remove it from the door and set it to the side. With our Phillips screwdriver, remove 1 screw from the door open handle. This will allow you to gently pry around the edges of this panel, releasing the remaining clips. You can remove this panel up off of the door open handle and set it to the side. With your pry bar, move back to the front top edge of the door panel to the small triangular panel. Gently pry the top edge of it back to release 1 clip at the top. This will allow you to grasp the edge of the panel and pull it straight up. There is a tab on this panel that fits into the door panel when reinstalling. With your pry bar, start at the bottom front edge of the door panel, work your way across the bottom of this panel, up the front edge of the panel, up the back edge of this panel. We're releasing the door panel clips. They release with pry pressure and should allow the door to be freed up. We're going to grasp the bottom edge of the door panel and pull it away back from the door to verify all the clips have been released. Lift the back edge up out of the window jamb, followed by the front edge of the door panel up out of the window jamb. We're going to pull the top edge of the door panel back to access any connectors. One located here at the door open handle. It has a trigger on the side that we're going to release and remove to release the entire door panel. Check for any other wires or connectors to the door panel and set it to the side. We're going to check the door for any door panel clips that stuck on the door and pry them from the door to release them and place them back in the corresponding spots on the door panel. This will give us access to our speaker. There's 1 screw at the top. Pull the top edge back from the door and then it lifts up to release at the bottom. This speaker is a very common failure. We've seen it be intermittent. We've seen it go out altogether. You can test here at the speaker for any audio. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.